Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So it is August and back to school season is here. So I really wanted to share with you all the clothes that you actually need for college. Now I know when I was getting ready to be a freshman and I was packing up my stuff, this is definitely the video that I looked up the most because I had no idea what to pack. Now when it comes to clothes, you really do have to think about a lot of different factors. Weather is definitely one of them. Also the type of school you go to, the college culture there. If you go to like a really big football school that has game days and people like really go all out for that. But in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the different categories of clothing that you really should be bringing. I hope to help you guys out a little bit when it comes to just basic pieces that you really should carry and things that you actually might forget, because some of these things I did when I first went off to college. The first category we're starting off with is everyday attire. So this is stuff that you wear on the weekends. This is stuff that you wear to class, like just regular days where you're not doing anything special. So I think everyday attire should definitely be the majority of the clothes that you're bringing to college with you. Most of your time is going to be spent going to class and like really walking around campus. So it's important to have a lot of pieces that are perfect for that. So the number one thing that I literally wore all the time, all 4 years of college, was a pair of black leggings. Now, if you don't have multiple pairs, I would definitely recommend taking the time to buy about 2 or 3 pairs of black leggings. They really will save you, because I only had like 2, and just even having 2 was too little for me because I wore them all the time. They're great for running to class. They're great for just like running errands with your friends. If you guys want to go to Target, Walmart, whatever, black leggings just go with everything, and you will really notice that you gravitate towards them because they're super easy. You can really wear them with a hoodie, sweater, anything. So I definitely would recommend getting a couple pair of black leggings. I also would pack a couple pairs of jeans. Now personally for me, I didn't wear jeans so much in college. I feel like it really varied each year, but I also went to school in a really cold part of New York, so it really depends on you and also your personal style. So if you notice you wear jeans a lot at home now, maybe pack a few more pairs of jeans, but your style also tends to get just a little bit lazier in college, I feel. So don't think you're going to be wearing jeans that much, because honestly you probably won't. I would also recommend making sure that you pack enough t-shirts, long sleeve, regular, casual shirts like the one I'm wearing right now to just throw on with outfits and go. I think the biggest thing for wardrobes in college is convenience, and you seriously are going to want that as you start getting more used to like going to class all the time. The next two things go hand in hand, and this is sweatshirts and sweatpants. Now I want to speak on the sweatshirt thing a little bit because I don't know if it's just me and because I went to school where it was super cold, but one thing that you always get like as you join clubs and as you go do things on campus, I really started to collect a lot of sweatshirts. I swear when I started college I had maybe 5 sweatshirts and I left college with about 25 sweatshirts. Like, I'm going to show you guys a clip of my closet. It's insane. I have so many sweatshirts. So personally for me, I would not recommend bringing so many sweatshirts your freshman year because the collection is going to evolve year after year, especially if you go to school where it's colder and sweatshirts are sort of that thing that everyone wears. And for sweatpants, sweatpants are just great to have. I've worn sweatpants to class. I really did not care. Not like ugly ones. I definitely wore cute sweatpants to class, but I've definitely worn sweatpants to class, and so many people have. I wore sweatpants when I'm just like going to run to my friend's room and I just want to throw on something quick. Like, sweatpants are just such a great thing to have, and also sweat shorts as well, especially when it starts to get a little bit warmer. Just having something quick and casual that you can just throw on and go, and you don't always have to worry about like putting on a pair of tight jeans to be honest. And the last thing for everyday attire is I would recommend bringing some nicer sweaters, like the cable knit sweaters you wear in like the fall time, as well as some nicer shirts and blouses for like if you go out to dinner with your friends, you go out to brunch, maybe you go do like an activity on the weekends like apple picking. I know my friends and I did that as well, and we obviously wanted to look a little bit cuter than we would if we were going to class. So I would definitely recommend bringing some nicer pieces as well for the weekend so that you can dress up a little bit more and just like, you know, look cute. So the next category is athletic wear and workout clothes. So personally for me, I love working out. So when I first went to college, I did pack a good amount of workout clothes with me so that I could go to the gym, I could go to fitness classes, things like that. And I definitely would recommend, if you do love to work out, to definitely bring some workout clothes. But even if you don't, it's important to pack maybe like 1 or 2 workout outfits, because you never know the type of activities that you may want to participate in on campus where you may have to wear a little bit more of an athletic style outfit. So I definitely would recommend bringing some sports bras, bringing some leggings, some workout tops, so that you have that option. And also if you're a student athlete, because I was a student athlete at my school as well, I played lacrosse, I definitely would recommend bringing a lot of workout clothes. Like, you're not gonna think you're you're gonna need that much, but I'm telling you, if you have practice like 6 days a week and then you're getting more closer into your season and you're starting to have games, I'm telling you, you are going to feel like you are running out of workout clothes. So my biggest tip, especially for student athletes, is to pack as much workout clothes as you can. I know that a lot of schools have a very strict like practice uniform and then your game day outfit, and while we did have somewhat of like a practice uniform, we still needed extra workout clothes for getting into the ice bath after practice, or even having to layer up at practice, like having to put multiple layers on if we're playing outside on the field and it's like super cold that day. So I would recommend bringing more than you need, because you'll be shocked at how fast you're gonna go through all of it. So the next category is going out clothes and sort of like formal clothes. So personally for me, I just love the simple, like a cute little top, some jeans, and some sneakers for going out. That's sort of my look. I feel like that's everybody's look. It's easy, it works. I personally have seen girls also wear like booties and stuff. Not my thing. Unless the booty is like this short, I honestly would not recommend you going to like frat houses and downtown to the bars wearing heels. It's uncomfortable, and then you have to walk home with these heels on, and it's just like, I'm telling you, I don't recommend it. I'd rather wear sneakers than go and wear heels, and I'm uncomfortable. So for going out, I would definitely recommend getting some cute going out tops, maybe some off the shoulder, some tube tops, just some cute stuff that you can pair with jeans. Make sure that they're also a comfortable pair of jeans that you can move in. And for sneakers, I would definitely just recommend bringing a pair of sneakers you do not like, especially at frat parties. Your sneakers are going to get trashed whether you want them to or not. So just don't pack a pair of sneakers that you like, that you plan on wearing to frat parties. You're gonna realize very quickly that that was a stupid idea. Now, going along with going out, I think it's so important to have a couple of dresses that you can wear to formals and crushes. I know that sometimes freshmen going in not thinking that they're gonna be involved in certain things, and it's better to have some dresses in your wardrobe that you could wear maybe to like sorority recruitment. You can wear to a formal if like maybe you didn't join one but your friend did and she's inviting you. I know that a lot of times people go into college thinking, oh, they're not gonna need certain things because they're not gonna do them, but you'd be surprised at how many things go on campus that maybe like you're super interested in but you don't have any attire to wear. And I know personally where I went to school, we did not have the best mall near our school, so when we wanted to buy like going out clothes, like especially things for like more formal occasions, we had to buy a lot of them online. So I would definitely recommend bringing a couple dresses so you don't have to worry about ordering online, and things that you could wear to like a formal, a crush, any on-campus event that you have to dress up for, or anything like that. And definitely bring a pair of comfortable heels. I wore my black strappy heels all 4 years of college and I was not ashamed. Those are my favorite heels ever. They still are. It's just so important to bring a comfortable pair of heels that you'll be able to pair with like any dress that you bring. So the last category is professional clothing. Now I know a lot of freshmen do not think they're gonna need professional clothing or that much in college, but trust me, really depending on your major, you know, the clubs and organizations that you're a part of, you're definitely going to need a good amount of professional clothing. Now I noticed for me personally, I was a part of a lot of clubs and organizations that required me to wear a lot of professional clothing, as well as my major, public relations. I did a lot of presentations and pitches that required me to dress up a lot for class. So I would definitely recommend as a freshman to bring at least 1 or 2 professional outfits. You may not really be doing too many presentations your freshman year, or even join a club your freshman year, but you never know when a career fair is gonna pop up or an internship fair and you wanna go but you don't have professional clothes to wear. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and got a lot of tips on what to pack for college. Make sure that if you guys have any other back to school video requests, you leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel, and subscribe so that you guys can see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.